Hey guys, Ben Maddox here at Johnston RV, out here enjoying some beautiful sunny weather in beautiful Sandy, Oregon. Today behind the camera I've got Rod Benbrook with us. He's going to be filming us today. We are both professional outfitters and we are here to help you find the right van for your needs. Rod and I, we've been working together for quite a few years, and this is what we specialize in, is the Class B group. So today we're going to be looking at a perfect example of what we do best, which is a 2021 Roadtrek Zion SRT. This is a bit of a rare find because this is considered a brand new one, even though it's in a late model. So a rare opportunity for somebody like you if you're looking for a Zion SRT, something that allows you to go off-grid, have your lithium batteries, your solar, and your big inverter to be able to buy at a pretty significant discount. So definitely want to check this one out if you guys are looking for a Zion SRT. We do have others as well, but they are 2022s. They're going to be priced a little bit more. Just want to point out a few key features on the outside before we go inside and take a look at this gorgeous coach. So on the outside you've got the sandstone color, which is that nice tan, light beige color. Roadtrek does build these really nice electric steps in, so when you open the door, they slide out, so easy access, nice and safe. And we'll wait to go inside. You do have a power awning. It has these arms that come out. They attach to the body, so you can adjust the height on those in case you get some bad weather. This little flap that flips up here, easy access to get to your propane. So just like pulling up to the gas station to get your fuel, you're going to do the same with your propane tank. This is built on your 1-ton Ram ProMaster chassis. Not a real dual wheel axle, none of your Ram ProMasters are, but it is a nice long wheelbase, very smooth, quiet ride. You're going to probably get somewhere around 14 to 16 miles per gallon. This is a 3.6 V6 Pentastar motor. What makes the Zion SRT unique is it is a little bit shorter than your standard Zion. It's about 1.5 feet shorter, so this is 19.5 feet long. You can see you've got these nice big swing away doors on the back on your Ram ProMaster, just like you would have on your Mercedes. In the rear you've got this sofa that actually converts down and lays into your bed there. It does have a backup camera integrated right into that. You got some nice storage underneath here, all vinyl floor all throughout, so easy to clean. You do have a tow hitch here, which is rated at 3,500 pounds. And then you've got your table right there as well, so that's easy to pop out and pop in right in front of that couch there. Okay. So on your driver's side, like most RVs, your utilities are conveniently located. You've got your auxiliary shower, you've got your dump station, you've got your on-demand hot water heater. So easy to get to everything. This is your fuel fill. It is a standard gas unleaded fuel. And then your driver door, again, you've got your electric step, so easy to get into there. Rod, let's go take a look at the inside of this beautiful 2021 Roadtrek Zion SRT. Again, my name is Ben Maddox. Rod Benbrook behind the camera. Make sure you ask for us. We're glad to help you. So come on into this beautiful RV. Now, just very few things separate this from any other Zion SRT. Colors is going to be one of them, and then options for lithium batteries. So this does have all of your the freedom to be able to go off-grid, boondock, dry camp, get on your forest surface roads, BLM land, because you got your lithium batteries, you've got your solar, and you've got your big inverter. Up in the front, in your cab area, you've got front swivel seats which integrate into the house. Place to put a tabletop right there. So for some people, they leave the bed made down and then they just eat up front here. This is your Ram ProMaster chassis, which does have a multimedia system built into the dash. So it's got your your radio, navigation, Bluetooth phone, all of that right there. And then your bathroom is conveniently located right here in the front of the house portion, so easy to get into. I'm 5'9", got lots of elbow room. You can see I've got lots of headroom. And then next to us here, you've got the galley, which has a nice flip-up counter extension. All your power connections are here. If you look at all that food prep space, nice stainless steel faucet, 2-burner gas cooktop, microwave oven overhead. And Roadtrek, boy, I tell you, they do a fantastic job, better than anybody else. The amount of storage that you get in one of these things compared to any other model. Some companies are known for technology, some are known for light, some are known for those things. But what Roadtrek does really well is this. Check out this nice big pull-out pantry. You've got a place to put your pots and pans here, which slides out. That lock's giving me fits, but that's okay. We're going to roll. We've got extra storage here. These are your cab privacy blinds on the floor here. Hanging wardrobe, right? And then you have all these cabinets up above here. And really the only difference between this and a Zion is you're going to get a little, more extra space, which is going to give you some more storage up above. And then sitting back here in the back, you have this nice comfortable couch. Obviously your other tabletop goes right here. This lays down, converts into your sleeping area, so that fills in the gap there. And then you have a flat screen TV. So there's, obviously we could talk about this all day, but there's a lot we could take a look at. But this is a gorgeous 2021 Roadtrek Zion SRT. Would love for you guys to come in and check it out with us. Again, I've got Rod Bendrick behind the camera. My name's Ben Maddox. Thanks for watching our videos, and we'll see you soon.